If you're also tired of using the clean hair products that aren't doing crap for your fine hair, I'm telling you, it's a long time coming. Shout out Rice Water. Shout out Rice Water. Y'all stay asking me for these curly hair routines, so here she go. Oh, it smells so bad. I hope you guys learned something in this video. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I have another curly hair routine. Hi, my name is Sydney Hyatt and I have started a fine hair community on this channel where all the fine hair girlies who have curly hair come in here and we chit chat. We talk about what works for our hair, what's too heavy, what is not the vibe for our 3a3b3c hair. We're going step by step where I show you this routine. Tangled Thursdays is going to be like this investigative, figuring out what works and what doesn't. Let's roll the clip. Roll the clip, roll the clip. And also, please don't forget to like this video. It really helps. Okay, this is what we're gonna fix today. Now, there's been a lot of days coming up to this. I've been prepping for this video because, first of all, one thing about me is I'm gonna watch my old YouTube videos and I'm gonna be like, how does she get her hair like that? Even though it's me. I feel like I'm talking like about my sister. Yes, babe, I prepped for this. I'm telling you, it's a long time coming, okay? I did this on Monday. Today is Thursday. I don't know if it's fermented. I don't know. It's my first time making it. I used to just buy it, but I was like, I'm a baddie on a budget. So I had to make it myself. I'm really excited to see if it smells because I think that that's going to be the telltale sign that it's... Doesn't smell like anything. It just smells like jasmine rice. I use jasmine rice, this much rice. This is a 1.5 cup of this is a mason jar. 1.5 cup, it says here on the right hand side. So what we're gonna do is called transference. Y'all know how much I hate this water bottle. Honestly, I really hate this water bottle so much. It's so like irrelevant to me, but live, laugh, love with what you got. Okay, so I emptied it out. I want to pour this in here. I'm gonna try to do it. I'm in the bathroom for this reason because I was gonna film over there, but I said, let me not make a mess in this house. So, bottle. Girl, I don't have a... Okay. Can you see that? There's one thing about me is I got precision. Younger Sydney would spray this in her hair before taking a shower because she didn't like the way it smelled, you know? So that's what I'm gonna do today. But I have so much of this that I think that I might just use it when I get out as well. We'll see. Honestly, you guys know more than me. I fast forward to the end of this video because you will literally know more than me right now. Oh my god. Oh, it smells so bad. Oh my god. Oh my god. No, no, no. No. Honestly, my hair is super long though, but this stinks so bad. I don't know if it's that right. Let me close that right. Oh my god, it smells like puterío. Puterío in Spanish means rotten. Oh, this smells awful. It didn't smell bad in the thing, in this. I don't know if it's this that stinks or if it's this, the water. I don't know. I was gonna put a rosemary. If I was you, you're watching this. Before you do anything, go to the supermarket, buy rosemary, and just put it in there. Oh my god, it smells so bad. The one that I used to use was from Lengthy Locks. I couldn't find them online anywhere, so I don't know if they no longer exist. But hers used to have like lemongrass. This is raw dog rice water, literally fermented for Monday to Thursday is 4 days. We'll see how this works out. I'm trying to drench my hair enough that I feel like it's wet. The benefits of rice water are long hair, okay? Protein. Them curls is about to whoop right back up. My hair feels extra wet right now. Honestly, my mom I can't go a video without talking about my mom, but anyways, my mom probably goes like, where are all my clips? Like, where do they go? And it's literally me just like, whoop, thank you. I'm gonna let this sit in for like 20 minutes, okay? It's 12:26. I'm going to just sit down for a second, okay? This is the mask I'm gonna use today because I shopped my stash. I was like watching that video that I did and my hair looks so good. And I used 7-in-1 by Marc Anthony Mousse. I don't have that. I don't have the money to buy that right now. So we're gonna do with what we got. Live, laugh, love with what you got. That's my motto. That's what's on the bio of my Instagram for the longest. Anyways, I'm gonna go in with a Hydrate and Repair Protein Power Treatment. 'Cause honestly, I'm gonna do a whole separate video why I don't use clean products anymore. But for now, we're just gonna use this. I'm gonna use it with this, okay? I'm gonna just try to end this already, finish this fucking overly priced, expensive ass. I don't see a reason why I gotta buy this product. And I'll be back. Hit the road, Jack. And bringing back Tangled Thursdays. You guys might not remember Self-Made Care, but they have now become Soulmate Care, which this is the hair growth oil that I used in like 2020 that made my hair go from like here to here, literally. I don't know how long it took, like maybe 4 months. My hair was extremely long. So anyways, that's what we're gonna use now. So what I'm going to do is use the drop. Oh god. It has actually some new ingredients, some that are used to help with anxiety, like ashwagandha. I need some kind of hair growth serum situation going on, and they just dropped on Friday. There was a limited amount. Yeah, it's $16, which I think is very affordable. The bottle is, I feel like, pretty big enough, and the consistency of it, like is not thick, which I really like because my hair does not like thick oils. Oh my god, my battery is about to die. So I'm just gonna rub that in, let it marinate for like a half an hour before I shower, and I'm pretty much gonna use the same routine as last week. I put it up in a bun. I'm just gonna leave it in for 30 minutes. As you can see, like, I don't know, I don't feel like this oil looks like nasty and like oil slick. Like if I was going to the gym or stuff, like I will put this on before I will go to the gym. I'm also gonna use it at the end of my routine today to show you like how brillante, it's like glistening, like how beautiful my hair is gonna look. I feel like I can just feel this routine is gonna be so. Okay, y'all, day 3. I'm gonna put a little bit of this oil, and then it's the Soulmate Care hair growth oil. I don't have flaky, what is that called, dandruff, but I do have like my scalp, I can feel that there's no product there. The last time I washed my hair was Monday. Like, it's not dirty at all. I'm just doing this so that when I wash it today, it's actually fairly easy to run through my hair. This oil though isn't greasy though. Can you guys tell that my scalp just looks like it has shine? It doesn't feel or look greasy in the nape of my neck. Since I wear buns a lot, this part gets like stretched out the most. So I'm gonna let that sit in my hair for a little while, and then we'll be back to wash it. Alright, y'all. Use the 2 products that I mentioned, the Inner Sense shampoo and the Shea Moisture protein mask. My hair feels extremely soft. I have not felt my hair this soft in I don't know how long. I kind of forgot what it was like to use protein masks and stuff like that. I feel like I just keep using moisture masks. I don't know why, but anyways, my hair is like getting super long. I'm just gonna take 1 pump of the Camille Rose Fresh Curl Revitalizing Hair Smoother, just to give my hair a little bit of shine, a little bit of moisture. My hair feels super thick too. I'm just gonna take 1 more pump for the other side because I don't feel like it was even enough. My hair is wet. We are going to do this how Sydney used to do it. I mean, I don't have my spray bottle with regular water, so what I'm gonna do is take a little bit of this. This is the Curl Talk Defining Cream by Not Your Mother's. I'm gonna just add some water to the palm of my hand so that it's a little bit more emulsified. Yeah, that's why I'm demonstrating, and this isn't just to listen to me. You kind of have to see what I'm doing. I'm gonna add a little bit more water to my hands. There's no more product on it, but just so that I can get some water. I'm gonna go in next with the Curl Talk Curl Activating Mousse. There's actually nothing really in here, but we don't got that much hair, so it's okay. That's more than enough. The same to this side. I feel like this is exactly what I used to do. I'm scrunching the crown of my head right now with the extra mousse that I have. I just hope, since I'm gonna be drying my hair basically outside in the cold, it doesn't come out ugly, but I think we're starting with an amazing base. I don't know if it's the mixture of the rice water and the protein mask. I don't know what it is. I will continue doing this till my hair feels like brittle and I need moisture, and then I'm on a moisture kick, and then I forget that I need protein in my hair, and then we start this whole thing all over again. I've always had this problem with this piece of hair. I think the key here is to make sure we're scrunching scrunching that product in. Now, I don't know if you're supposed to do this. I'm sure I never did this, but I'm gonna take some oil, just a little tiny bit, just a little bit, because I want to seal my hair before I go outside. Literally that little. Get it nice and warmed up in my hand, because it is freezing outside. It's below 30. I don't need my hair falling off my head, you know. This is how it looks in the back. Does it look good? Really giving like how my hair used to look before. I will tune back in when my hair is dry. I left the mask on for approximately 18 minutes. Sorry if you guys can hear that. I just rinsed it out of my hair right now, and we are gonna get ready to go outside. I want to put a little bit of the leave-in because I feel like my hair is you know, I've been putting a lot of protein in it. I didn't use the rice water today, so I'm just gonna use this much of the leave-in. I'm not trying to overdo it or anything. My hair is soaking wet, so we're fine.
Yeah, you can come down.
Mom, I need my diffuser. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. I'm gonna title this the quickest curly hair routine I've ever done in my life. That seems like it's a lot, but it's really not. If you've used this product, then you know it's not a lot. I was just gonna tell me to come down. She has my clothes that I'm wearing. Like, girl, we're gonna scrunch now. Scrunch intensely like your life depends on it. Flip, scrunch, scrunch. Once the curls are at a desired spiral, this is the same routine, just expedited. Tangled Thursdays, baby. Tangled Thursdays. And this is for the people who say, I can't do my hair in 20 minutes. All right, we're gonna wait for my mom to get upstairs so I can diffuse my hair. Ignore my makeup, we're gonna diffuse.
That's not a diffuser?
Mom.
What is that?
I'm gonna let my hair air dry and I will come back at the end of tonight. Day 3. We're gonna try this mousse out because God knows that mousse over there. Gonna do a little bit more for the crown. We are looking amazing. I can feel the curls activating. I have not felt my curls like this in a long time, and they look extra curly today. I'm gonna wait like 20 minutes and then we will diffuse. Hey y'all, my hair is fully dried. This is how we look. Let me give you guys a nice little juicy close-up, because that's what we do in this channel. We're realistic in this channel, right? My nose. Mousse is back into my life, babe. Do you see the definition of my hair right now? We're gonna keep on doing this. I am not mad at it at all. I feel like my curls are extremely tight, and I feel like in some places it's really not, because I didn't give it like a fair shot at drying in a nice like soft way. I was outside, you know, I was pushing my hair back and all of this, but this is how it looks. Alright, I just came back from the cutest little, nicest little date that I had with my parents. This is how our hair came out. I'm getting less shrinkage, and that means that parts of our hair is not 100% defined. I do blame it on the way that it was drying though, because I had my hair like this in a hoodie on my way downtown. Y'all remember this old thing? So I'm gonna put it at... I feel like it's super dry. I'm gonna use the Soulmate Care hair growth oil to scrunch out the cast. It's about 4 drops. Oh, by the way, it's 10:58. Oh, look. They look so perfect. Honestly, I haven't had such a good hair day in so long. That rice water really did something because I have not seen my hair this curly in a really long time. I try to put blue because black, you know, is not really the vibe, but also it was cold in this house. They are defined. I'm going to sleep on it with my bonnet. I hope this video comes out exactly how I want it to. We're going to bed. So it wasn't really dried properly, but I still 10 out of 10 would recommend these products because they didn't leave my hair feel heavy. I feel like my hair has a pattern to it, you know? And it's my pattern and I just have to accept flat roots if I want length, because if I cut my hair and I put it up here, it's not gonna look nice on me. It is what it is. I just put a little bit, this how much. A nice little coating. It actually just smells like syrup, Aunt Jemima syrup, and this will last me until the next wash day. And by the way, the mask that I use, I have had that mask for 4 years. It might be expired, honestly. A lot of these products that I use might be expired, except for the oil. I just got the oil. Y'all, I just woke up, washed my face, brushed my teeth. I'm dying to take this thing off. My hair is like stuck. Oh wow, but it's not. Oh my god. What a pleasant surprise. Oh my god. I would love to put more oil so that I'm not like giving myself frizz, but what? This is how you know I haven't had a good wash day in a really long time, because I'm very happy right now. Like 1000% happy. I don't accept the bad wash days because I know the potential that my hair has, and I just feel like sometimes maybe it's the products, maybe it's my technique, whatever. I did try a lot to get here, but I'm very happy that I am here because now I know, you know, like these two work great. Now next time I want to put a gel because I'm sure I'll have more hold. My hair feels really soft right now, and maybe work on defining the curls without like scrunching. Well, not without scrunching, but use a brush or something to give it that a more uniform pattern, even though I'm very happy with the fact that like there's 10 different patterns. As long as my hair is curly, I'm good, because I can't afford heat damage. Okay, for next Tangled Thursdays we're gonna try with a brush, and I hope you guys like this style of video. I think that I want to do more like these because I just don't feel right putting out a video and then like another one and another one when they're all pretty much the same thing. So Tangled Thursdays is gonna be like this investigative, figuring out what works and what doesn't, and I'm really excited for that. But you let me know in the comments what you like or what you don't like. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. It really helps my channel out. It really helps you and I connect too, you know what I'm saying? I love that routine. I think that routine is chef's kiss. Now, there is no crunch in my hair. My hair feels extremely soft. I definitely think it was adding that oil at the end. So I don't know if it's gonna keep up for tomorrow. We shall see about that tomorrow, but I could just refresh with a little steam in the shower. I love the way my hair looks. It looks amazing. Please don't forget to like this video. Please. Please, it'll help me out so much. Don't forget to comment if you have anything to say, if you don't like it, if you tried it, if you do, if you have any tips, any tricks, if you're also tired of using the clean hair products that aren't doing crap for your fine hair, because this is a fine hair community, okay? We have fine hair that still matters. Just get into it. Well, thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you for tuning in. As always, I love you. Let me know what you guys want to see, please, in the comments. And I'll see you and you in the back. So shout out rice water. If you remember Tangled Thursdays, drop a yellow heart. Tangled Thursdays was my safe space. That's the end of it. Love you guys.